In 2007, an interesting agricultural project was established in Suchohrdly, near Miroslav in the Czech Republic. It has managed to effectively combine livestock and crop production with a biogas plant and cogeneration technology. The agricultural company, founded by Karel Kutan, currently operates a total of 7 TEDOM CHP units. These supply electricity and heat to the biogas plant technology, as well as to the adjacent farm buildings and the large-scale greenhouse. The CHP units represent both an economic and technical benefit for us, as we are completely self-sufficient in supplying the greenhouse and livestock production facilities with electricity and heat.
We have
used TEDOM CHP units since the beginning because of their operational reliability and also because TEDOM is based about 30 kilometers from our farm. Our 3 oldest CHP units have been in operation since 2007, which is 16 years. In addition to the first 3 units, a 4th unit with an output of 180 kilowatts was added in 2013. Over the next 5 years, 2 natural gas-fired CHP units with a total output of 600 kilowatts were installed to ensure the operation of the greenhouse in winter. The largest biogas CHP unit with a capacity of 528 kilowatts was commissioned in January 2023. As far as the energy assessment is concerned, the daily production of about 1,800 cubic feet of livestock manure represents nearly 2 megawatt-hours of electricity and 2.5 megawatt-hours of heat. After the addition of maize silage and beet pulp, the biogas plant produces around 17 megawatts of electricity and around 20 megawatts of heat per day, depending on the season.
Elektřiny a tomu odhadem tak 20 MW tepla denně.